Welcome back, guys, to the Warhouse Gym, San Antonio, Texas. We're going to be going here with Melanie Oliveira, my GM, from San Diego, California, and our Wellness Pro. We're going to be going over the Kick-Ass Gen 2, our new models that are going out to all the gyms as we speak. And with the more advanced version, Mel, do you think you could give us a demonstration of how you can raise and lower the seat real quick? So super easy adjustment. There are 3 levels. Lowest, depending on how tall you are and your femurs and your height. And then obviously the highest up to where you'd like to match your knee as you place your knee in the middle. You like to match kind of like where your hip kind of goes straight across with the axle here. So as you can come around, you can kind of see your hip straight across with the axle here. Kind of gives you the best range of motion as far as getting the pivot. Now for Mel, being about average height and everything for a female, it's really handy there. And then on this side, which is really great, is we have the extension on the foot pedal that you use the kick-ass to swing it all the way around. Now, you have a pull pin here, super easy, and we make it glide. And because of the weight, it has a little bit of pull, so you can just slide it out, or you can just lift and slide it back in. So super easy. That should be pretty good for her height. So, want to go ahead and take it for a spin? Let me give you a little bit of weight. It's pretty much a balanced, zero offset. The amazing thing about this machine is that you are able to get a full sports dynamic range of motion, almost like a swing kick, to where you can go like running a hurdle 180 degrees all the way around. You have the chest pad here only for comfort and not absolutely necessary. I like to hold myself more upright, but the anterior pelvic rotation and tilt that you're able to take in and out makes it work very carefully. So I like to put, as you can see right here, kind of like the arch of her foot, so you can kind of grip the pad on the angle there and keep control throughout the entire range of motion. Go ahead. And all the way back. Probably a little light for you. There you go. And as you can see, she has good control all the way through the movement. And with the cable being on pulley system, she's under continuous same tension throughout the entire 180 degree range of motion on this. It's truly dynamic and really takes it to another level. The most advanced kick machine in both the eccentric and concentric range under tension the whole time. And then she's able to just simply switch sides, and then you can grip and kick back. And then you allow, by controlling the weight, get that full stretch and go down. Nice, how's that feeling?
It's amazing.
Good concentration. Fantastic. Yep. And you can see here, you got handles here, a chest pad for support when needed, and you got a nice, very, very dense plush pad for bumping into in case you slip or you come up and you're getting a good stretch and you bump into it. Full protection there, no problem. Yeah, how was it?
It's awesome. And then as Adam mentioned, the chest pad isn't necessary, but in the motion that I'm very flexible. I like to drive into the pad
to get a little bit more out of it. Yeah.
You can also be straight as well.
Yeah, me personally, I run it upright as well because I'm obviously not clearly as flexible as Melanie is. So, but I'm trying. So that's pretty much it there. And then definitely don't be afraid to go ahead and go up in weight. You'll see once you get the rhythm of the movement that you're actually probably a lot stronger than you would have guessed, and you can really definitely stack on some weight and get as much as you can out of it. Sound good? What do you think? All right, you guys. So this will be on the QR code. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the YouTube. Let us know what you think when you make it into the gym and you get to try out some of these advanced war machines. They're super awesome and they're easy to use, but damn do they hit. So I'll see you over here at the gym.
See ya.